Good morning, friends. How are you? Welcome to my bathroom. It is Saturday morning. We are leaving in just over 24 hours. Actually, we are leaving in 25 hours for the airport to go to Orlando for spring break. By the time you're watching this, we will be back already, but I'm kind of in that stage where I'm like, I have two choices. Like, I have a lot of things that I need to get done before we leave, obviously, and I could start freaking out like I normally have in the past, but I just decided I'm not gonna do that today because you know what? It is an unhelpful energy to have. The freak out energy is very unhelpful. So instead, I'm gonna take you along with me on this weekend prep video while I get ready to go on vacation. So right now I'm gonna get ready and do my hair and makeup. I need to go to the post office this morning, put our mail on hold. I need to run to the grocery store because I've been trying to, you know, not buy groceries, obviously. But in that effort, we are out of like bread and milk and just a couple other things that we need for the next couple days. So I'm gonna do that. I need to take Connor to get a haircut at some point today. I'm looking at my list. By the way, I need to make sure that we get laundry done, that I get the kids' suitcases packed. The one thing that I'm glad about is that we don't leave for the airport until like 10:30 in the morning. So that's always helpful because I feel like those like early morning wake ups before you're traveling with your family are just like brutal. So yeah, Connor spent the night at his grandparents last night. I swear to God, he would be there all the time if we let him. So that's good. And Kira's still sleeping, but I think she's gonna go with me to take the dog to the kennel. Hi, Murphy. Later today because she wants to get some shorts for Florida because the ones that she had from last year are too small. So Murphy has no idea what's happening to him. And I don't know, I always get comments when I take my dog to the kennel when we travel. He goes to like, I swear to God, it's like the bougiest, I say kennel, it's like the bougiest kennel ever. Like they have like a playroom for the dogs. They have like a bunch of college kids that work there and they play with the dogs all day and they send us pictures and yeah, it's like, you don't need to worry about him. He's gonna be fine. He's gonna play with his doggy friends, aren't you? Yes, you are. Okay, let me get ready and then we're gonna get this day started. All right, so I'm gonna start some laundry. Do you ever like lose something? Like, do you ever like lose a pair of sweatpants or something and you're like, I wonder where those are? You can't find them for a while, but you know they haven't gone anywhere. Like, they have to be in your house somewhere. I hate when that happens. It's annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna put this little laundry in and then we're gonna go out and run some errands. All right, so let's go to the post office first. Okay, now I'm gonna drop a box off at Goodwill, but look at these stamps I got. Aren't those cute? They're called Message Monsters. I love all the cute stamps they have. They've got nowadays. Makes me sound old when I say that. Okay, so I'm actually at Walgreens right now and I thought I would just go here and get the things that I needed because I just need like milk and bread and stuff like that. And I need to pick up a bit more dog food to take with Murphy. And Walgreens has a really great travel products section. So if you're looking for travel deodorant, like things you can't normally find at Walmart. And because I know I'm gonna get asked about these glasses. Yeah, so you guys know that I buy a ton of my glasses from Warby Parker because they're so like inexpensive and I love their styles and I love you can try them on at home. But I did go to the eye doctor like probably about a month ago now with Kira and they had this pair there and I needed a new pair of prescription sunglasses anyway. And so I decided to get these because they had the magnetized sunglass part and then they have like regular glasses. So some of you guys have asked me where these are from. The brand is Eco. I don't know. It honestly like pained me to buy them because even though like we are very lucky to have vision insurance, the vision insurance only covers like part of the frames. So you still end up paying like a ridiculous amount of money. Like I still think Warby Parker is the way to go. And in fact, I really wanted Kira to get glasses from Warby Parker too, but she wanted to get this pair. I don't know, she's like very picky about her glasses, which like I get it. And she's gonna be 13 this year, and so I'm also thinking like at some point she's gonna need to try contacts because she's in swim. And so obviously that will help her see better, but her vision's not bad enough yet that she needs contacts when she swims, but probably in a few years. Okay, now that I've rambled on about that for a while. I almost couldn't find bread in there, but I did find it. I'm sure it was like, I didn't look at the price because it's the only loaf they had, but I'm sure it was like $2.99 a loaf or something ridiculous like that. Okay, so the only thing I have left to do now is go to the dry cleaners to drop some stuff off. And then I'm gonna go home, grab the dog, grab Kira, we'll head out to the kennel slash doggy daycare. We are going to take a quick break to thank today's video sponsor, Thrive Market. You guys know I've been working with Thrive Market forever here on my channel. I love them, and if you haven't tried them out yet, what are you even doing? Today is definitely your day if you haven't, because they are having an awesome deal right now for new customers. I actually had a Thrive Market box come the day before I shot this video, so I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I got because we will be taking some of these as snacks with us on our trip. So I got some of these Nashville hot sprouted almonds, which are delicious. They are perfect for a travel snack because they don't need refrigerated. I also got some chocolate granola butter, some of Connor's favorite Good Pops. Those are freezer pops, so we obviously won't be taking those with us. Some olives that come in little packages. They don't have to be refrigerated, so those are great as well. I got some of the Hue paleo chocolate, some Smart Sweets, and just some other pantry staples that I was running low on, some Rayo's, and these new blender bombs that I wanted to try as well. But if you guys aren't familiar with Thrive Market, they are an online membership-based grocery store, and they are on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. I love their app and their site because you can get everything that you need. They have an amazing selection of organic groceries, snacks, and supplements. You can also filter their catalog of products by diet and lifestyle. So for example, if you're just looking for Rayo's products, just looking for Smart Sweets products, or if you are paleo or keto or vegan, you can filter by that. So it makes it super easy to get what you need. They also have a really large frozen section on their site, and everything comes perfectly packed and cold. I love getting seafood and chicken, and I get my Wagyu beef steaks from there. And they also have really great frozen options, so tons and tons to choose from. They do have a couple different membership options. You can go month to month for $9.95 a month. I just do the yearly membership because it's less than $5 a month, and I shop from them about twice per month. It's really convenient for me because I live in a small town and specialty groceries are super hard to find around here, and so it just makes it super easy for me to be able to sit on my couch, order on my app, and boom, they show right up at my doorstep. Orders over $49 are ship free, and they are also delivered with carbon neutral shipping, which I think is awesome because they are on a mission to be the world's first climate positive grocery store. They also have a Thrive Gives program, which makes it possible for low-income families and teachers and veterans to access natural and organic foods and products easily. So for every membership that is purchased, Thrive Market donates a free membership to someone in need, which is fantastic. So here's the best part. If you guys want to try out Thrive Market and you haven't done so yet, today is the day. You can join Thrive Market to get 40% off your first order. Plus, you get to pick out a free gift worth over $50. What? 40% off your first order plus a free gift. That is crazy. So definitely take advantage of that. I'll have a link in the description box below. It's just thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin. Once again, the link is thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin for 40%. Yes, 40% off your first order plus a free gift worth over $50. So make sure you check out that link below. Are you ready? We're at the kennel. Do you want to be on camera? No? Sure. Okay. Kira's with me. We gotta go to Target. You ready to go, Hunter? Oh my God, I just called him Hunter.
Don't cry.
Ready to go, Murphy?
I just called him Hunter.
All right, so we dropped Murphy off and they sent, we went to, well, first we went to Target and got a bunch of stuff, but look, they sent a picture of Murphy.
What else?
That's the only one they sent. Oh, buddy. All right, so I just took Connor to get his hair cut and went to get gas. It just cost me $72.80 to fill up my tank. That's freaking expensive. And I didn't have any money on my fuel saver either, so I had to pay full price. So now, did I tell you guys we're eating pizza for Adam's mom's birthday tonight? I can't remember whether I said that or not, but we are. So what I need to do now is I have about an hour. I need to run to the store, see if I can grab Connor some new tennis shoes, and then go home. I told them I'd bring a salad or cut up veggies or something, just trying to make sure that I use up everything we have in our fridge before we leave. So that's what I need to do right now. Okay, so we're home from dinner and my dishes are out of control, so I'm getting some loaded into the dishwasher here, and then I'm also going to hand wash some. All right, so even though we did not have a super early flight, I was still running behind. I went ahead and packed all of our suitcases. Kira actually packed her own clothes, which is pretty nice. Now that she's getting older, she can do that herself. Connor picked out some of his, but I still had to help him. And then, of course, Adam and I had to pack our clothes as well. But it really did help having like a 1 p.m. flight. I think it was. We ended up getting delayed too, which was fine. But not having to get up super early in the morning is always nice because you can have time to pack before you leave. But I did want to bring my laptop with me, not my work laptop, but just my regular laptop, because I do work on YouTube stuff sometimes when I'm on vacation. And I know I probably shouldn't do that, but there's like downtime at the hotel and stuff like that. And I just like to be working on things because it's fun for me too. It's not just work. So I did want to bring my laptop with me and my planner, and I just made sure that I had masks in our bag for the airport and the plane. And then I knew I would have to record a couple of voiceover clips too. So I did have to bring my microphone, which ended up getting taken out of my bag at the airport because they always are like suspicious of what it is because they can't tell through the x-ray machine. But anyway, I'm just packing up my bag here and making sure that I have everything I need. I can link this bag down below. I'm not sure how you say it. It's spelled Thule. I tried so many different like rolling laptop bags and backpacks. I really needed one that could fit 2 laptops because when I travel for work, I have to take my work laptop plus my personal laptop. And so this one definitely fits the bill. I really like the size of it. It fits in the overhead bins easily, or if you need to slide it under the seat, it fits under there too. It has tons of pockets. It has even a zipper on the side where you can take your laptop or the contents out from the side too, which I think is really nice. So yeah, highly recommend it. They are a little bit pricey, but it will last you a lifetime. All right, so we finally made it to the airport. Our flight ended up getting delayed a few hours, but as soon as we were in the air, that was good. We had a layover in Atlanta, so we flew from Moline to Atlanta to Orlando. We were actually supposed to arrive at 7 p.m. and didn't end up getting there until after 10 p.m. But we made it. Yay! Here's some shots of the hotel we stayed at. I did not vlog, so sorry, you guys will just have to deal with the pictures I'm posting on Instagram. But we stayed at Cabana Bay, which is a Universal resort, and we had a super fun time. We went to the park for a few days and relaxed by the pool for one day. They had an arcade and a bowling alley, and it was super fun. But thank you guys so much for spending this day with me getting ready for vacation. If you're a mom who has to get ready for vacation, I'm sure that you can relate. Also, don't forget to check out Thrive Market. I'll have that link down below. It's thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin for 40% off your first order plus a free gift over $50. That's insane. So snatch it up right now. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.